Hi, I am Sivaselvi, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, St.Joseph College for Women, Tirupur. Today in this section, I am going to discuss about the basis of thermodynamics. First, let us see about what is this thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the study of the effect of work, heat and energy on a system. It is known as chemical energetics. Actually, thermodynamics deals with energy and their interconversion. Different form of energy and their interconversion. Next, some basic terms of thermodynamics. First one, system. System is nothing but anything which is real in universe is considered as system. For example, if you studying about water bottle filled with water, here water is a system. Next one is surroundings. Here everything which is excluded of a system in universe can be considered as surroundings. Next basic term, let us see about types of system. First one is open system. Take a water in a container, just heat it. After some time, what happened? The level of water comes down. It means that water is converted into water vapor. The system in which the mass and energy exchanges, or it is called open system. Next one is closed system. The system in which only energy get transferred and there is no transfer of mass, then we call it as closed system. Last one is isolated system. Isolated system, the system where there is no transfer of energy as well as mass, call it as isolated system. For example, tea in a flask, thermoflask, if you keep the tea here or in any hot water, only up to certain extended it will be hot. After some time it will be cool. It depends upon insulation. Hot cannot stay for long periods. Next we discuss about thermodynamic variables. The variables which are used to define the state of a system, we call it as thermodynamic variables. Here used in some variables are temperature, pressure, volume, entropy and enthalpy. Next let us see about law of thermodynamics. First one, zeroth law. If two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then they two are in thermal equilibrium with each other. Next one, first law of thermodynamics. The change in internal energy of a system is equal to heat and work done of the system. That is delta U equal to Q minus W. Here delta U is internal energy and Q is heat of the system and W is work done of the system. Next one is second law of thermodynamics. This law of thermodynamics, the entropy of any isolated system always increases. That is delta S greater than or equal to 0. Last one is third law of thermodynamics. The entropy of a system at absolute 0, S equal to K ln W equal to 0. Next we discuss about thermodynamic process. In an operation that brings change in a state of a system called thermodynamic process. There are four types of process. First one isothermal, second one adiabatic, third one isobaric, fourth one isochoric process. Let us see first one, isothermal process. The process in which carried out at a constant temperature. For example, hot water in thermoflask, if we removed certain quantity of water from the flask but keep its temperature constant. Next one is adiabatic process. The process in which there is no heat exchange with surroundings. Third one is isochoric process. The process in which carried out at the volume of the system constant. For example, heating of gas in a closed cylinder is an example of isochoric process. Last one is isobaric process. The process in which the carried out at a pressure is a constant. There are four various processes in thermodynamic process. First one isothermal. Isothermal process are carried out at constant temperature. Second one adiabatic process. There is no heat exchange with surroundings. Third one isochoric process. There is based on at constant volume. Fourth one is isobaric process. This process are carried out at constant pressure. Thank you.